Hi again, everybody. Hope you're all doing well. On today's guitar lesson, I'm going to continue where we left off last time. Last time I showed you two positions for Nhemamusasa type chord progression, and so I'm going to show you the remaining positions on the top two strings on the guitar. Let me clarify, when I say chord in this music, I'm talking about the root and the fifth. You can put the third in, but it's not as common. So generally we're just doing root and fifth positions right here. So to review, those first two positions were these. That was the first one. And then we took that high chord of each phrase and dropped it down an octave, and that gave us the next position, which was this one. Now, for the next positions, we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to take the highest chord in that group there, which if we look at the first phrase, the highest chord is that A and the G at the last phrase. So we'll drop that A down an octave here. And so that'll be like this. And so that's the chords. You're doing C, E, A, C, F, A, D, F, A, C, E, G. So again, we now drop that highest octave, or the highest chord grouping, down an octave. And of that grouping, we've got the C. So that C and the D are the highest chords. So we're going to drop those down an octave. So that'll sound like this. So slower. C, E, A, C, F, A, D, F, A, C, E, G. Okay, the next position, now we're going to again take that highest chord, which is that E, and we would drop it down, but we're out of room, right? So we're going to go up an octave, which was that C, E, A. We'll drop that E down to that octave there. So this position sounds like this. Oop. One more time. So that's C, E, A, C, F, A, D, F, A, C, E, G. Last position now, we'll drop down that A and the G. So that A chord is this one. So this would sound like this. So C, E, A, C, F, A, D, F, A, C, E, G. And now if we drop this high chord, the C and the D, down, that takes us back to that first position that we started with. And so on. So that gives you all the possible positions of doing that root and fifth diads for the Nhemamusasa on the top E strings. That's all I'm going to do in this lesson, so practice up on that and I'll show you some more stuff later. Thanks for listening. Oh, and leave a comment below if you're happy. I like reading them.